Welcome to R1 2026 for Sage Intacct. New year, some new features, and as we see a rapid decline in enhancements and even support for legacy systems, there are teams across the globe that are working on the development and refinement of Sage Intacct. So you're going to be continually getting enhancements with Sage Intacct. And if you're on your homepage, you can click read the release notes, which will bring you in and show you all of the updates that are part of this release. We do not cover all of them. We only cover the ones that are pertinent to our customers. So I recommend that you click in to read the release notes and just have a read through that and see if there's anything that we don't cover that is applicable to yourself. As always, when they do a release, they do not automatically update the permissions for particular roles. So because they don't obviously know who is supposed to get those new permissions. So if there is an update and there is new permissions that are associated with that update, you will need to go in and update the role to add those permissions to it. And just a reminder of how to do that, you're going to go to your applications dropdown, click into company, admin, roles, and let's say, definitely for your administrator role or admin role or whatever it is that you call that, you're going to want to click into your subscriptions and just add those permissions. So let's say it was something in accounts payable, you would click permissions here, make sure it's turned on. You can even just do the hit all, save, and save again. And then, so any permission that is updated with this release, if there's a role that you have that needs to be applied to, you do have to go in and do that. And as we go through the different features that have been added, we'll mention if there are changes to permissions. So this release, the heaviest hitter we're going to see is the addition of the work order management. Really, really nice for service contractors to see something that is within the system for that. Nice addition. We're going to have another video where we go through that in depth. But just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go in quickly to cash management. And in our interest and charges section, we now have a new document number field. So if we go in to add bank interest and charges, we'll see this document number, which did not appear before. So it's just going to help with your bank reconciliations, etc., to have that information there. And this will appear on reports. So that is just one of the features, and stay tuned for what else is new in R1.